it's Aurora from the Art Gallery. Today we're doing invisible drawings, like the ones Alana Bartol made for her exhibition, Processes of a Remediation, to comment on the invisible impact that coal mining has on the environment. So I hope you enjoy! Okay, so for the invisible drawing today, you'll need a paintbrush, some milk, 2%, 1%, really doesn't matter, a lighter for your candle, and some paper to draw on. Recording. Okay. So today I'm just gonna draw a little bee, but you really can just do anything you want. You can do a little plant or like a fish. Alana Bartol did a whole bunch of fish and plants for her exhibit. You can do little stars, really anything you want. It's easier to do something simpler just because it's hard to see what you're drawing with the milk. You can kind of see the reflection, but I would say that simpler is better. So I'm just giving this little bee some antennas, drawing the little lines on its body, little trail for when it was flying. Something simple, just like that, and then we're just gonna let it dry. So once your drawing is done drying, make sure you safely light a candle. Make sure you have some water handy in case your paper just starts to catch on fire or something. Happens sometimes. And then you're just gonna slowly start moving your drawing above the candle. Make sure it's not too close, because if you put it really close, that's when it'll catch on fire. So just slowly moving it around, and then the image should start to appear as the paper heats up. So once you're done, your image should be fully revealed, just like this. And you can do anything that you like. I just did a bee, but here's are some other examples of things that I've done before. And then just, yeah, make sure you keep your candle a little bit further from your drawing so that it doesn't start on fire. Be safe, and I hope you enjoyed it.